sure you've heard the news. The Sony Bravia EZ20L Series is taking business displays to a whole new level. This isn't just any screen, it's a 4K powerhouse designed for commercial brilliance. From 43 to a whopping 85 inches, your visuals have never looked this sharp, thanks to the 4K processor X1 and 4K X Reality Pro for upscaling full HD content. Need high visibility? With 350 nits of brightness and a wide viewing angle, every seat in the house is the best seat. Whether you need landscape or portrait orientation, it's got you covered with 16/7 operation flexibilities. Connectivity, think HDMI, USB, Ethernet, and even wireless screen mirroring with Apple AirPlay and Google Chromecast. And it's not just smart, it's green. Sustainable materials, eco-friendly packaging, and a power-saving mode make it an eco-warrior. Plus, the Bravia Signage free app lets you create and display multimedia content seamlessly. The Sony Bravia EZ20L Series, perfect for your business's big picture. Contact us at +91958 2777451, +91958 2777442, or info@nectarinfosystems.com, www.nectarinfosystems.com.